patroness in our alma mater. We embedded her teachings and ideals.
The Senior Education Program Specialist of the Department of Education.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all gather together as we are about to witness our dear completers and graduates who pay homage to their parents for all the sacrifices and love shown to them. Let's give them a round of applause for their tribute song entitled Because You Love Me. Graduation also marks the graduates' enlistment to the Merino High School of Asuncion Incorporated.
to officiate the formal induction of Batch 2024's inclusion to the Alumni Association, may I call on Mrs. Carmelita Lawas, a member of the Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated Alumni Association. Graduates, please all rise.
Please raise your right hands and repeat after me. We, the members of the graduating class of 2024 of the Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated,
our patroness and our alma mater, we embedded her teachings and ideals, which we promise to live. Likewise, we pledge our love and loyalty to our parents and teachers, whose guidance and solicitude have elevated us to this present state of life. Lastly, we do solemnly promise to keep our faith in God, ever alive in good works, that through it, we will serve our country in untiring service to our fellow men. So help us God.
Thank you, Dinel.
To formally close the program, let us all lend our ears to the closing message from our very own school principal, Reverend Father Aldrin G. Olivar. A big hand, please.
Graduates, you may now take your seat.
Reverend Father Tomas P. Avila Jr., EDD, PhD, Diocesan School Superintendent and Director, Queen Apostles Catholic Seminary. To Mr. Arnel F. Labasan, Senior Education Program Specialist. Reverend Father Ayan Ismael Pilio, our guest speaker. Guest, alumni of Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated. Parents, visitors, learners of MHSAI. My dear completers and graduates of Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated, a spirit-filled day to everyone. First, I would like to express my gratitude to Father Tam for this wonderful time that he spent with us. He's very supportive for us, and with that, we are very thankful for his presence. And also to Sir Arnel. Sir Arnel is very supportive also. All of us also from the division, and with that I really see he's very active in trying to make our school in accordance with the rules and regulations. A significant milestone in your academic journey as you completed your studies at Marinol, a cherished Catholic and Marian school in the Diocese of Tagum. I formally close the program.
Thank you so much, Father Aldrin. The closing hour has finally arrived. Tomorrow, new challenges and opportunities await our graduates and completers that will further pass their medal as improving individuals. To our esteemed, this concludes the 56th commencement exercises and 9th moving off ceremony of Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated. This has been Christine A.
And Robert Sarmiento.
Thank you for coming. guests, could you please, they will be having our photo office. So after the faculty and staff and esteemed guests, will be followed by the graduate class as well as the completers. Thank you so much. And staff.
Congrats, Mr.
Alright, next.
Salamat kayo. Mr. Felix Laguda. Dito lang, Asuncion. Opo. Mrs. Congrats, valedictorian, parents. They are very proud of their son. Guys. What are you taking up when you are in college?
Nursing po.
Nursing. So congratulations. This is